Manood tayo ng mga kaganapan ng Senado. So, wala pa rin yung grupo ni Cayetano, pero merong isa para magkaroon ng forum. Sino yung isa? Si Chis Escudero. Kahit naman sa damdamin ko, ang tumatakbo, maring si Chis. Yun ang nasa damdamin ko eh. Binubulay-bulay ko ito mga sunod-sunod na araw eh. Siguro hindi po ng Diyos ang puso niya. Kasi napakahirap nga naman eh. Tabla sila eh. 11-11 eh. Pag 11-11, si Cayetano pa rin. Kaya hindi rin makakapagsesyon yung minority. Gawa na kung 11 lang sila, walang quorum. Kaya siguro, hindi po ng Diyos. At saka si Pangulo, yung sa isang interview, na sinabi niya, magbalik loob na kayo dito sa Senate. Kasi nga, maraming pending na dapat trabahuhin na. Diyan nyo makikita kaibigan. Lumabas na sa social media ang katakawan ni Cayetano ng posisyon. Natandaan nyo pa sa panahon ni Duterte. Nagkasundo sila ni Lord Velasco nang mag-ati sila sa Kongreso. Nang matapos ang termino ni Cayetano, ayaw niyang ibigay ang leadership ng Kongreso hanggang sa pumasok na ngayon si Pangulong Duterte, the former President Duterte. Kung hindi nyo ayusin dyan, nakuha nga ayos sa inyong dalawa, sabi niya. So hindi ako nananakot, sabi ni Digong. So, binigay niya ni Cayetano sabay paghingi ng sorry niya kay Digong. Diyan mo makikita ang katakawan niya sa posisyon. At dito nga sa Senado, dahil 11-11, hindi siya mawawala eh. Sabi nga ni dating Senador Franklin, ari na walang kaharian. Ang ari ka nga, wala ka namang kaharian. Itong mga kasama niya sa majority, bakit naman uto-uto kayo? Wala ba kayong sariling kaisipan, damdamin? Hindi nyo ba naisip yung taong bayan na umaasa sa inyo? Bakit kayo nagpapadikta sa isang tao? In the previous, anong hiling ni Sara Duterte nang dinala nila yung mga sagot nila? Inihiling nila sa Senate, di basura ang impeachment. Di ba? Di basura. Kasi ang SP President ay si Cayetano. Eh sino ba si Cayetano? DDS yan eh. Kay Digong yan, tumakbo ng Vice President kay Digong. Kaya nga tinawag siya Caldero. Remember Caldero? Yung ginanap sa Kapas? O, sino nakakalala doon? Doon siya tinawag na Caldero. Pero salamat sa Panginoon. Naigit na nakakaalam sa lahat ng bagay. Magbuhat ng mahagaw ni Cayetano posisyon kay Soto, nagkandalechi-lechi na ang Senado ng Pilipinas. The whole world, nanood po sila. Mabaho na. Wala nang kasing baho. No, sige, pakinggan natin ha. Maging balita tayo. Yung kaganapan. Ano ba? Na si Gatchalian Sabi nga si Gatchalian neutral, walang galit sa kanya, both side. Di maganda naman. Ang importante, mapalitan lang ang Senate President. Oh. Isipin niyo, majority sila Cayetano. Lahat may kaso, meron silang hawak ng committee. Kundi sana, muntik na namang magyamang si Marcoleta sa Blue Ribbon Committee. Ano?
Alam mo, Dory, ewan ko bakit naman naalala tayo.
Kaya maginig tayo, ano po? Sa sa kaganapan sa Senado.
Ganun pa, a democratic country. Pangit, dugo.
Ano? Nagbago na kasi yung komposisyon, ano? Kaya pakinggan na lang po natin. Ano? Kumbaga, city isang flavor of the day. Ano po, kasi dahil pumasok siya, naging help sila, nagkaroon na ng quorum.
Sinasabi na, kailangan natin ng online voting.
Si Cayetano kasi pa, online lang na lang eh. At saka, yun nga, hindi sila pumasok ngayon. Yan. Tingnan natin, ano? Ito, ang kaganapan. Okay, pakinggan na natin, ha?
Ano naman tayo?
Let us pause for a minute of silent prayer. Amen. The secretary will call the roll. Let it be put on record that the secretary refused to call the roll. Let the deputy secretary for legislation to call the roll.
Roll call of members, the Honorable Senators Aquino, Cayetano Pia, De La Rosa, Ejercito, Escudero, Estrada, Gatchalian, Go, Hontiveros, Lacson, Lapid, Legarda, Marcoleta, Marcos, Padilla, Pangilinan, Soto, Tulfo Erwin, Tulfo Rafi, Villanueva, Villar Camille, Villar Mark Zubiri, Senate President Cayetano Alan.
With 12 senators present, the chair declares a quorum.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move to declare all elected positions in the Senate vacant.
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved.
Bakante.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate President Pro Tem.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
I hereby move and nominate Senator Sherwin Gatchalian as the Senate President Pro Tempore.
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved. Thank you, dear colleagues. Majority Leader.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that we elect Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri as Chairman of the Committee on Rules.
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved.
Thank you very much, my dear colleagues. My dear colleagues, I move that we proceed with the oath-taking of the Senate President Pro Tempore. I so move. And we will ask Senator Soto, the most senior member of this chamber to proceed with the oath to our new Senate President Pro Tem.
Hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others I may be hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and obey the laws in order with the grace promulgated by the duly constituted authorities, and maintain true faith and allegiance to the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself in all time and without mental reservation for the purpose of relation, so help me God. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Senate President Pro Tempore.
Majority Leader,
Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate Secretary.
is there any objection? Hearing none, motion's approved.
Mr. President, I move to nominate and elect Secretary Ray Bantug Jr. to the position of Senate Secretary. There being no other nominations present.
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved.
Mr. President, I'd like to also move to proceed with the election of the Senate Sergeant at Arms.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Mr. President, I move to nominate and elect Police Major General Alfredo Soto Corpus to the position of Sergeant at Arms. There being no other nomination.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Mr. President, I move that we give their oaths of office together.
Wala na. Wala ni Sergeant at si Cayetano. Ikaso pa, siya plus ka. Objection of justice. Yari siya. Yung nagpasimula ng baril lang puno.
Congratulations to the new Sergeant at Arms and to the new Secretary, our comebacking Secretary of the Senate. Mr. President, I move to elect the following senators as chairpersons of the following committees. Senator J.V. Ejercito, Chairman of the Committee of Finance. Senator Tito Soto, Chairman of the Committee on National Defense. Chairman Panfilo Ping Lacson, Chairman of the Committee on Public Order and Committee on Accounts. Chairman Erwin Tulfo, the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations and Social Welfare and Rural Development. Chairman Senator Rafi Tulfo to the Committee on Public Services. Chairman Bam Aquino to the Committee on Basic Education. Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Chairman of the Committee on Agriculture. Senator Risa Ontiveros, Chairman of the Committee on Health. Senator Lito Lapid as Chairman of the Committee on Games and Amusements. Senator Chis Escudero to retain his Committee on Housing. And yours truly, Senator Zubiri, as Chairman of the Committee on Foreign Relations.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion, majority leader is hereby approved.
Si
Mr.
Pinono.
President, I move to
Yes.
consider PS Resolution number 432. This is the resolution amending Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedure on impeachment trials to provide for the election of a presiding officer in all cases not involving the President of the Philippines. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move to adopt PS Resolution number 432. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Mr. President, may we ask the Secretary to read the title of the measure for clarity and place on record the title of the resolution.
Resolution amending Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedure in Impeachment Trials to provide for the election of a presiding officer in all cases not involving the President of the Philippines.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I also move to consider proposed Senate Concurrent Resolution number 10. The Secretary is directed to read only the title of the resolution without prejudice of inserting the full text thereof.
Concurrent resolution providing for the adjournment sine die of the first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines not later than 12 o'clock midnight today, June 3, 2026.
Mr. President, I move to adopt Senate Concurrent Resolution number 10.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Mr. President, in conformity with the Senate Concurrent Resolution that we have just adopted, I move that the Committee of the Senate, provided therein be composed of Senators J.V. Ejercito, Francis Pangilinan, and Raffy Tulfo. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. Senators J.B. Arcito, Francis Pangilinan, Raffy Tulfo, and shall compose the Committee of the Senate to inform the President of the Republic of the Philippines that the first regular session of the 20th Congress is ready to adjourn sine die.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. And just for clarity, the PS resolution we earlier approved is 430. The number is 430. 430? 430. Mr. President, before we adjourn, the chair would like to state for the
Mr.
record
President,
why
Majority
we
Leader,
propelled
before we
today.
adjourn,
Yes.
allow me to give a few remarks. Before we adjourn, ladies and gentlemen, the chair would like to state for the record that we are compelled to call the session to order today. After the Senate adjourned on May 26, 2026, session was scheduled to resume on Monday, June 1, 2026, and on Tuesday, June 2, 2026. But the former Senate President failed to appear in both instances. Further, Article 6, Section 16(5) of the Constitution provides that neither House shall, during sessions of Congress, adjourn for more than 3 days without the consent of the other House. The Senate has been adjourned and unable to resume session for the past 2 days, placing us on the brink of constitutional violation had we not convened today. Thus, in the absence of a duly consulted postponement and the continued absence of the former Senate President pro tempore, and members of the majority, we are compelled to call the session to order. The quorum of 12 is based on majority of 22 senators, over whom jurisdiction can be obtained by the Senate. This is in full accord with the ruling of the court in Avellino versus Cuenco, that an absolute majority of 12 out of the 23 members can constitute a constitutional majority of the Senate for quorum purposes. And with precedent, specifically the May 5, 2015 session, where the quorum was based on 17 available senators, with 7 others beyond the Senate's coercive jurisdiction. Thank you.
Thank you
Dear
very
colleagues.
much for the clarity, Mr. President. Mr. President, let the record reflect that the chair, a Senate President pro tempore, shall serve as acting president pursuant to Rule 5. Yes. Presiding officer of the Senate pursuant to Rule 5, Section 4C and 5 of the Rules of the Senate. Pursuant to our rules, the wording is actually acting president, Mr. President, on our rules. Just for the record, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move that the President of the Republic of the Philippines and the House of Representatives be informed of the election of Senate President Pro Tempore and Acting Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion of the majority leader is hereby.
Mr. President, I move that the first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines on the part of the Senate be adjourned sine die.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. The first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines on the part of the Senate is adjourned sine die.
Success! Wala tayong political color. Wala. Ang gusto natin, magtrabaho yan kasi sinusweldohan sila ng taong bayan. Taxpayers. Hindi yung inuwala si Jigoy, hindi na pumasok, sinamaan hanggang krami. Bakit? Gustong pabida. Picture, picture.
Ay, nakuha dito. Hindi bigayan tayo eh. Alin ko eh. John!
Ayan. Meron na tayong bagong presidente ng Senado sa katawan ni Senador Gatchalian. Si Chess siya ang inipo ng Diyos ang puso, pero yung kayang committee hindi rin nagbago, yung pa rin the same. Hindi nawala yung committee niya, nandun pa rin siya, no? Kaya pasalamat tayo sa Diyos at natapos yung crisis ng Senado. Magbuhat ng maupo si Cayetano, nagkawindang-windang na po ang Senado. Siya lahat ang may kasalanan niyan. Walang ibang sisisihin niya kundi siya. Siya rin ang tinawagan niya si Bato para makuha nila yung kapangyarihan ng Senado. At nagtagumpay sila. Isipin nyo, wanted na merong ICC warrant of arrest, imbis na ibigay niya sa otoridad. Yan din ang ginawa niya kay Jinggoy. Kaya lang, hindi na pumayag si John Vic Remulla. Kasi sabi niya, yung nagawa niya nangyari kay Bato na tumakas siya, hindi na mangyayari yan, sabi niya kay Cayetano. Bulok na si Cayetano. Ewan ko, anong utak meron ng demonyong ito? Sabi, sa social media, makikita nyo yan, dami eh. May hawak na Bible, paluhod-luhod. ginagamit ang pangalan ng Diyos sa loob ng Senado. Okay, at least wala tayong political color kaya hindi kayo dapat magalit sa akin. Kasi kawawa naman po yung mga nakabilbil na mga dapat trabahuin nila. At least yan. Sige, praise the Lord. Nakaraos na. Thank you for watching. God bless us all po. Bye-bye.